Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Crypto Explorer. In today's video, I will be going over Honeyminer. Honeyminer is a cryptocurrency mining service similar to NiceHash, where they provide their own mining client that will mine whatever crypto is the most profitable for the hardware it's running on. Honeyminer then takes whatever you mine and converts it into Bitcoin into your own account with them, which you can then withdraw to your own wallet. So here we are at the Honeyminer website at honeyminer.com. And to get started, just click the Start Earning Now button, and it will give you an option to download their software. Now, right now, they do have it only for Windows, but they do plan on having a Mac client as well. Once it's done downloading, click Run. Now, just to let you know, because it is a mining software, it's most likely you will have to turn off your antivirus software. And it's because mining software is usually flagged by antivirus software, so it might be something you have to do. So here we are, click I agree and let it install. Now while it's installing, just want to go over some things about Honeyminer that while it's pretty neat that they made it a easy way for you to mine. I don't think it's for everybody. If you have the technical know-how on how to mine, then I don't think Honeyminer might be for you. And I'll go over my reasons why in a bit. So I already have an account, so it automatically logged in. But when you install it for the first time, it'll prompt you for your email address, and then what will happen is it will email you your password, and from there you can use that to log into your Honeyminer account. So here we are. The Honeyminer is on. The GPU is mining is 0 right now, and CPU mining is 0. And when Honeyminer first starts up, I think it seems to be checking your hardware that it's on right now, and then what it'll do is see what cryptos are the most profitable for you to mine with the hardware that's running right now. So let's click on See Full Activity, and as you can see, I've tried it on various computers. Oh, hey, it's green now. So I'm just going to minimize these. These are not the ones I'm running on. This is the computer it's running on right now. This Intel Xeon with 2 cores. So here you can see it's estimated to get me about 8 cents a day, which is really not much. And on here you can get some stats, like it's right now 93 hashes, not mega hash, 93 hashes per second, and the profitable coin for it to mine with this setup, this hardware, is Monero. So, and in 24 hours, the potential 24-hour revenue, is 131,308 satoshis. So that's pretty much it. So once you have this running, you can go into the settings here, and you can decide to keep it in the tray, show notifications, BTC value. You can turn this switch on to only mine when the computer is idle. So if you're working on something, or if you're using your primary computer to mine, it's not slowing you down while you're working. And the other options here is enable application on start and start with Windows. So here's something kind of interesting. Let's see the task manager, and we can see the CPU usage on Honeyminer is roughly 50%. So it's really not pegging the system really hard. I've tried other CPU miners where it's like hitting the CPU all the way at 90-something%. So I have a feeling if it was really optimized, it could be using more to mine. So that's just a small thought. Okay, so that's pretty much it to get started. You're mining, you're earning and stuff. So once you got this running, you can log into your Honeyminer account, and I've already logged in here, and you can go over your dashboard basically, You can see your history, what you've earned so far, and then if you go under money in here, you can see what you've earned through mining, bonuses. I guess they have these bonuses and referrals. They do have a referral program, and this is probably why you're going to see a lot of people throwing out the referral links. There's going to be one on this video, but I'll get to more on that later. And then if you go to profile here, you can enable two-factor authentication and then click on manage your wallets, click add new wallet, and you only have the option for a Bitcoin wallet. So you can give it a label and put the address. So this is where your payouts will go to. So with that being said, I'm personally not going to be using Honeyminer to mine. One reason is you can't choose what coin you want to mine. Say, for instance, I want to mine Raven coin or a different altcoin, Triton or something. I can't choose it. It's going to choose it for me. And they specifically say so in the FAQ. Let's go down here. So that you can't. They're going to choose it for you. And they're only going to convert it to Bitcoin at this time. So that's for me, that's a no-go for me to use my resources to mine using their software. The other reason is their revenue model. If you are mining with one GPU, they have an 8% fee that they take off the top of whatever you mine, and if you do two GPUs, it's a little more less at 2.5%. But if you have the know-how and mine, set up your mining software yourself and mine pools directly, the fee is way less on most pools than 2.5%. So that's the other downside. So the upside is if really you don't have any technical know-how or don't really care to have any to learn about it, it's a pretty easy way to get into mining with whatever hardware. Say, for instance, you have a gaming PC at home and you just want to mine some coins on the side, then yeah, this might be for you. But like I said, there's a lot of limitations to it. So and for me, those limitations don't make it personally worthwhile for me to use. Anyway, that's pretty much it for Honeyminer. I'll put a link in the description if you are interested. But personally, I just encourage folks to learn on their own and try it on their own. It does take a lot more time, but it's honestly not as hard as it seems. Anyway, thanks for watching this video.